How to share any product on Alibaba.com app to Facebook directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any product on Alibaba to your Facebook easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to the app. Now choose a product that you want to share. I'm gonna choose, for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Sorry, not this one. Click here, choose the product that you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Now if you want to share it, all what you have to do is click on the top corner right here on those three dots and click on share. Now click on Facebook and you will be shared it to your Facebook easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.